What happens if you have a power of attorney, but it's outdated? This is something I see all the time. Someone will come in and say, I've got that taken care of. I did that years ago. And on the surface, that sounds great. They did something, they checked the box. But then when we take a closer look at the document, that's where things can start to break down. Maybe the person named in the document is no longer the right choice. Maybe relationships have changed. Maybe that person has moved away. Maybe they're no longer in a position to step in and help. Or sometimes the issue isn't the person, it's the document itself. The document may be missing important powers that are actually needed in real world situations, or it may be written in a way that financial institutions don't feel comfortable accepting. And here's something that surprises a lot of people. Banks and financial institutions don't automatically accept every power of attorney. They review it. They may look at how old it is. They look at the language. They look at whether it clearly grants the authority needed for the situation. They look at how does it match up with our power of attorney statute. And if something doesn't line up, they may say no. So now your family is in a position where they thought they had a plan in place. They thought they could step in and help. And suddenly they're being told that they don't have the authority to act. And what's the next step in that situation? It may be getting an attorney involved to write a letter, more delay. It may even mean going to court, which is exactly what you were trying to avoid in the first place. I've seen this happen, and it's very frustrating for families because from their perspective, everything was supposed to be taken care of. Now, compare that to a situation where the power of attorney has been reviewed and updated. The right person is named. The document includes the authority that's actually needed, and it's written in a way that's more likely to be accepted by financial institutions. Now, when something happens, your family can step in and act without delay. No confusion, no pushback, no need to go to court. This is one of those areas where having a document is not the same as having a plan that works. And if it's been several years since yours was reviewed, or if your circumstances have changed, it's worth taking another look, because when your family needs to rely on that document, you want it to work exactly the way it's supposed to.